All right, so Frank has officially left town. Whoop, whoop. Ladies' party.
On the road.
Okay, but so we have a couple days left here. We're going to make the most of it and do a decorative project here at the hideout. Because why not?
Yeah, man.
Jazz it up right before we leave town for multiple months.
So it's beautiful when you get back.
Exactly. So, first step, unboxing. Unboxing complete. Now, time for beautification. So Aosky sent us all of these new window covers for the hideout because the ones that RVs come with are a little bit tired and dated. Don't you think? What do you think, Emma? The brown, swirly paisley sconce?
When was paisley cool to decorate with?
I don't know. Certainly not in the 2000s when this was built. How about that? But so anyways, we are going to hopefully take those down, smooth, easy process, and then put these up, smooth, easy process. We don't need Frank for this at all. We can power tool all by ourselves. Hey-oh. If we could just get into the packages, we will be great.
I'm in.
Ooh.
They're really pretty.
They are really pretty. And there's two different styles. So we have one style for the living room area and then another style for the bedrooms. Ooh la la. Does it come with hardware?
I think there's a little
Okay, cool.
green. There's a little box at the end, so I'm going to try to leave them together.
Okay.
Maybe I'll leave them in the things because I think this is your hardware in the.
Yeah,
Yes.
like everything you need to install.
Yeah.
Excellent.
The unboxing, not stinky. That's a really big deal sometimes when you're unboxing
New things
from other places. I think it's called off-gassing.
Oh, yeah.
It smells fresh.
The only odor in here is the black tank, which doesn't smell at all.
We're used to it now? No? Yes?
We opened some windows and it's so fresh.
We
in
opened
here.
one window because Emma has no idea how to open any other.
Door's open.
That's not a window, that's a door. That's for the one behind the
For
couch.
this one here, yeah. Oh my God, they're so pretty.
They are pretty. Is it all for the main room or the bedroom?
So the bedrooms have the blue ones and the main room have the brown ones.
Okay, so these must be bedrooms?
Yeah, if they're like the brown or the blue. Because the bedrooms I got blackout
Smart.
because the curtains that are currently in the bedroom are useless.
Tinfoil?
Well, one of them is tinfoil. Actually, Everly's whole bedroom is tinfoiled, yes. So it's been a little bit annoying taking these off. Whoever installed them wasn't as masterful as we are about to be. I'll tell you that. So, there's like multiple screws in weird spots and you never know where they are, but we're doing our best. Oh, and also the sun is just blasting this window right now. Ooh. And I probably, yeah, I need an extension. Okay, it's gonna be done in 3, 2. We got them all off, mostly. There are some trickier ones that don't want to come. But first up, we're gonna do the bedroom because these are
Ew.
completely nude and ready to be blacked out. The cool thing about these is that you can customize the colors exactly for what you want, and there's so many choices. I need a drill, and then these have a Phillips tip, which is not the one that's on there.
Shape?
Plus sign.
Plus sign.
All right, now my next question is, how deep is your love? Because the screws that they gave us are quite big, and I feel like the screws that we were taking out were quite small.
Correct.
So perhaps I should use the screws that we removed, because this might just go straight out the van.
Can I have a screw to test, please?
Uh-huh.
Test screw.
We're going to use the original screws that were so easy to work with the first time. Maybe I could use some of the holes, too.
Probably would be smart.
Excellent. All right, this is going to be super easy. There, I'm in on both sides. Looks amazing. Now I shall remove the attention warning label
Oh,
That's so nice.
it's very lovely.
That's so nice. And it's like a slightly blue, which I'm very excited about. But that's so nice. Yes. Immediately I can feel that it's so much cooler in here, which is amazing. The sun is blasting us right now, and we're both improperly dressed for the occasion. So that's really nice. Now, I'm a little bit worried about these ones because they are different. So we're going to have to figure out how to install these. Okay. All right. The Roman blinds were a little bit more trickier, but also fabulous. I really like that it's like easy to up and easy down. Doesn't that look so much cooler? Huh. Superb. Now we're going to go get Everly and eat some food because I'm starving. And then eventually the rest of this is going to get done.
Mm-hmm.
I was so gassed yesterday. By the time we finished like taking everything down and putting up a couple, got home, had lunch, I passed out for like an hour. I was so tired. I think the last week, just getting everything ready, really the last like 2 weeks, the last month has just been like go, 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 go. So I was like, finally like, okay. And then I was like, I need a nap. So I didn't get back here yesterday. Everly's at daycare today. So this is my last day where I have like some time without a child running around to try to get finished these windows. So that's what I'm going to do. We were thinking yesterday, I think these blinds have to come down too. Originally I was thinking maybe they could go behind and then the blinds could go in front, but I don't think that's going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish this project up really quickly. It's looking super good. This half of the house is done, so now just the rest. Yeah, and now that I know how to do it, it's gonna go super quick, I'm sure of it. But the cool thing is, this morning when I walked in here, the bedroom, pitch black dark from the blackout curtains, and nice and cool. The lighting's probably terrible because it's so dark in here, but like this is so nice and cool. This is blazing sunshine hot. So that's going to be great when we move back in here. And the Roman blinds are just so fancy smancy. Not obviously blackout, but this is the living area, so perfect. All right, let's do it. So I'm going to time it and see how long it actually takes me to put up the window shade. I'm going to leave the one behind it because it gives a little bit more blackout, and it fits. So that's good. One less thing I have to do. 3, 2, 1. It ended up being 13 minutes. I did have some trouble with the old blind, and then I ended up taking it off, and I actually measured wrong, and then I had to fix that. So I think I can get it down a little bit quicker. But 13 minutes for a whole beautiful window shade is not that bad. I'm gonna finish up, and then I'm gonna show Frank, see what he thinks. Okay, I finished the project. Do you want to see it?
Yes, I would love to.
Okay, let's have a look. I'm gonna flip it.
Right. Flip it. Oh, I love the color of them. They look so good.
They look so good, right? And then,
Yeah, pull them down. Let me see them down.
yeah, so these are down, and then it's just like a nice kind of like diffused light. It even makes
Yeah, I like
big
that.
patterns on the couch.
Cute.
Yeah, and then in the
I really
bedroom,
will like that.
these ones are totally blackout, and like this is nice and cool,
Right.
and this is blazing sunshine hot.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
It's going to help keep the AC from working too hard.
yeah, like this room actually feels nice and like cool and dark right now. So
That's
good.
awesome.
Yay! I love it so
Heck
much.
yeah.
Did I do a good job?
You did amazing, baby.
Thank you.
I'm so hungry. I'm sorry. The time changed, and it's like 10 o'clock here. That means it's at least 11 by you.
Yeah. I have a snack too. I got date squares.
Oh, delicious.
I'm super happy with how this Aosky blind project turned out. I've got them all down. I'm going to pull in the pop out, officially closing the hideout for a couple of months. I don't know. pretty exciting. I feel like we were so excited to live in the hideout when we first bought it. And then, like all projects, you realize there's actually a lot of things that we need to do in order to make this like a super livable space. And we did spend some time in it last summer, but then this summer, because of the carport and everything that we were thinking that we were going to do, we were like, it doesn't make sense to move in until all those big projects are done, because it's going to be really disruptive. And then we decided not to do the projects. And then the summer was basically over and we were getting ready to move into Betty. So this one just got away from us. We do love the space and we're happy to almost have water. And it's really great that Frank set up the electrical system so we have off-grid in-house electricity. So that makes it way easier to be able to move back into here. So I think next time we come back to Canada, we're definitely moving in. But I don't know when that's going to be.
Betty, Big Blue, Paco, and myself are in Iowa right now. It is 90.